Cool. Okay. Are you gonna take the ferry to Cape Cod? Because there's basically a very similar boat to this, and it leaves from that side, but it goes straight to P-Town, Provincetown. And it's really cool because you can see all the islands before you get to Cape Cod. And then, are you gonna go to Provincetown, or are you gonna go to a different place?
We should go tomorrow. Get the car.
Oh, okay.
That's why I said take you tomorrow. But you can't take car. The islands.
Yeah, it's at the very end. Okay. Yeah, it's cool to check it out. Yeah. Oh no, Provincetown is so cool. It's only, I don't know, like 10 streets wide by 2 or 3 streets long, and it's just the cutest little town you've ever seen. But they got a big old lighthouse that was built in the 1700s and shit. Yeah. So did you come specifically for Halloween?
Yes.
Nice.
We had like some spare time, like we've never been here.
Yeah. Nice. Did you drive or fly?
Drive.
Oh, okay.
It's like 5 hours.
Yeah. Nice. Have you been to Joker before?
Good evening, everyone, and welcome on board the annual outage, the St. Ferry. As we are making our way out of Longworth and Boston at this time, but you got to take care of some announcements. So I'm required by the United States Coast Guard to inform you all of life-saving equipment on board. We have more than enough life jackets for everyone, located under 12 inches inside the first deck cabin, and throwable life rings on the outside decks, stairwells, fire extinguishers, and firefighting equipment in marked locations throughout the boat, and inflatable life rings all the way up at the top. Of course, the event of emergency follows instructions of myself and the other
really old architecture.
Please use caution as you are moving around the boat, using handrails where they are available, leaving on the entry for the boat, and taking extra caution on those stairwells. There is no running, climbing, or jumping allowed on board during the trip. We also do not allow smoking on board of any kind. We do have our galley or snack bar located towards the back of the first deck cabin for our room standing by. If you'd like to purchase any snacks or beverages